In this video, I'm going to solve this fun little math problem. But before I start the solution, please feel free, pause the video, solve it yourself, then compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Now, I'm going to start the solution after 3 seconds. 1, 2, go ahead and get started. But what is the question and where should we start the solution? The question says, find the area of this shape. This shape is made of 1, 2, 3 squares. This is a small one, this big one, and this tiny one. To find out the area of the square, as you know, we need to multiply the length of a side by itself. But in this case, we don't have the length of the sides of this square. So how can we solve this? No worries. Come here, I want to show you. To make it easier, I want to name them. This small square has a square number 1, this big one as a square number 2, and this tiny one as a square number 3. Now, I call this side, the length of the side of square number 1 as A. The length of the side of square number 2 as B. And C, the side of square number 3. If you find out the value of A, B, C, it will be very easy to calculate the area of this shape. But we don't have the area, the length of A, B, and C. What should we do? We can find the connection between them. How? Let's see. If this is A, so this side also is A. Now, tell me, what is the relationship between A and B? Right. A plus 2 equals B. Let me write it. Relationship number 1 says A plus 2 equals B. Next, if this side is B, so this side is B. Now tell me, what is the relationship between B and C? Right. C plus 6 equals B. Let me write it. But still, it is not enough to find the value of A, B, and C. But we have an important information here. This number, right? What is this number? If this side is A, so this side is A. If this side is B, so this side also is B. If this side is C, also this side is C. C. So now tell me, what is A plus B plus C? Of course, 22. Let's write it. A plus B plus C is gonna be 22. Now, let's find out the value of A and C and substitute here. A plus 2 equals B. What is the value of A? So A is gonna be B minus 2. Also, C plus 6 equals B. What is the value of C? It's gonna be B minus 6. Now, I'm going to substitute this one and this one instead of A and C. So, A, B minus 2 plus B plus C is going to be B minus 6 equals 22. Now, let's find the value of B. We have 1, 2, 3, B. So I'm going to write it here. Negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8 equals 22. B minus 8 equals 22. To find now to find out the value of B, we need to isolate the B. To this, let's transpose this negative 8 to the right side. Do not forget, we need to change the sign, negative to positive. 22 plus 8. So 3b equals 22 plus 8. Next, 3b equals 22 plus 8 is 30. Now, to find out the value of b, we need to multiply both sides by coefficient of b, which means 3. These three cancel off. 30 divided by 30 divided by 3 is going to be 10. So what is the value of b? 30 divided by 3 equals 10. Until here, well, good job. Now we have the value of b, that is 10. What is the value of a? So a is going to be 10 minus 2 equals 8. How about c? C is going to be b minus 6 or 10 minus 6 equals 4. Now we have the value of a, b, and c. To find out the area of a square with the length of 8, it is enough we multiply 8 by it itself. So a equals 8. What is the value of what is the area of a square 1? A1 is going to be 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Now this tiny one, C. C is 4 centimeters. So what is the area of this square? 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. How about this big one? B is 10. So tell me, what is the area of the square with the length of 10? 10 times 10 for 100. As you know, to find out the area of this shape, we simply add the A1, A2, and A3. So A is going to be A1 plus A2 plus A3. A1 is 64 plus A2 is 100 plus A3 is 16. As you know, 64 plus 100 plus 16 is going to be 180. And this is the answer of our question. Do not forget, if we use centimeter for the length of the side, the area is going to be a square centimeters. Have fun.